If you are still using VLOOKUP in your daily reports, stop. It breaks when you insert columns, it cannot look to the left, and it fails when you have multiple matching rows. In this tutorial, I'm showing you 5 modern Excel formulas that replace VLOOKUP forever, making your spreadsheets faster, cleaner, and completely automated. Let's start with the biggest flow in VLOOKUP, searching to the left. If you have an employee name in the column B and need their employee ID from column A, which is left to column B, VLOOKUP is useless. Here we use XLOOKUP. Simply type equal to XLOOKUP and press on this FX button to open the formula builder on the right, which is very useful, and select our lookup value. Our lookup value is Rajesh Kumar, and select the lookup array. Here select the employee name column, which is in column B of data master, and then select the return array. Here you select the column A of data master, from where we have to return the employee ID of this employee. And the best of all, we can add a custom not found message right inside the formula. There is no if error needed. Enter. Now you drag this down for all employees. Next, returning multiple columns. Instead of writing separate formulas for department and product, XLOOKUP does it in one shot. Type XLOOKUP equal to XLOOKUP, open the formula builder, select the lookup value, then select the lookup array from master sheet, that is column B, and select the return array. Here you select all the 2 columns, that is department and product sold, and if required exact match, select 0, then click on done. Now please drag this for all the remaining employees. Done. Next formula is to filter out a particular data group from a bigger data set. Suppose here you want to filter out data of South department alone from this data set. How we can do that? There comes the function filter for our help. Type equal to filter and open the formula builder. Select the array area, that is A2 to G12. Under include, select the department column, that is C2 to C12. Under if empty, we can give a custom message, that is record not found. Okay, here one thing I missed. Under include, you give the condition, that is South in inverted commas. We are filtering out the data which has South in column C. Now press enter. All the rows which has South in column C has filtered out. So this is the data of entire South department. Finally, formulas 4 and 5. It is for cleaning data lists. Instead of manually copying and removing duplicates, type equal to unique and select the employee names, that is column B, and enter. Now you have the unique employee list from this data list. Do you want this in alphabetical order? Just cover it with the sort function. Type sort, bracket open, and close the bracket here. Now you have the employee list in alphabetical order. Which of these 5 formulas will you use first? Let me know in the comments below. Download this free practice file from the link in the description and make sure to subscribe to iMastery for more modern Excel hacks and workplace tutorials.